Hello future engineers, there is another video in hydraulics, particularly on the topic fluid force on plane surfaces. This is a situation where the distance of the force from the centroid of the area is above, because normally or usually in the preceding examples the force is below the centroid of the area. So that means the pressure in the space should be negative, as in this problem here. So here we go. A rectangular gate 1.5 meters wide and 2.5 meters high is on a closed prismatic vertical square bottom tank 2 meters on a side and 4 meters high. It is filled with water at a depth of 3 meters, and the upper 1 meter thick space is air under a pressure of negative 20 kilopascals. If the bottom of the door is also on the bottom and its top is hinged, compute the hydrostatic force on the door, B, the location of the force from the centroid of the door, and C, the moment of the force about the hinge line. So to help visualize and explain the following solutions, let's have the figure. So this is the figure. You reread the problem and check if the figure is correct. The height of the rectangular gate is 2.5 meters, and take note that perpendicular to the screen it is 1.5 meters wide. It is rectangular. The airspace, which is 1 meter, is subjected to a pressure of negative 20 kilopascals. The height of the gate, the height of the closed tank rather, is 4 meters. That's why this is 2.5 plus 0.5, 3 meters the depth of water, and additional 1 meter, which is the airspace subjected to negative 20 kilopascals. So we anticipate that the force F is here, and its distance from G is denoted by ESA VP, because the positive ESA VP is below G, because the positive y-axis, remember, is going down. So we expect ESA VP to be negative, and that's why it should be above G. Now, for F, because this is a bit complicated situation, we have to use F equals pressure at the centroid level of the gate times area of the gate, wherein the area of the gate is 1.5 by 2.5. So F is pressure at G times area. We expect the pressure at the centroid to be negative. That's why F is going to the left. So pressure at G is negative 20 plus 9.81 specific weight of water times the distance to the level of the centroid is 0.5 plus half of 2.5, which is 1.25. So 0.5 plus 1.25 is 1.75. So pressure at G is negative 20 plus 9.21 times 1.75. Pressure at G is negative 2.8325 kilopascals. Substitute, we can also solve for F, negative 2.8325 times the area of the gate, 1.5 by 2.5. So F is negative, but I'll just make it positive, but the direction is leftward as indicated in this answer. So that's the force to four significant figures. Next, for the distance above G, normally below G, we have EVP, the formula already derived in the other playlist in hydraulics, and also used in the preceding slides or videos. So EVP for rectangular gate is height of rectangular gate square over 12 times HG. Now the height of the rectangular gate is 2.5. That's no longer a problem. Then we compute Hg. Hg can be solved by equating pressure at G equals specific weight of liquid in contact with the gate, which is water, times Hg. So pressure at G equals gamma water times Hg, of course. So negative 2.8325 equals 9.31 Hg. So Hg is negative 0.2887 meters. Substitute here is a VP is 2.5 square over 12 times negative 0.2887. So it is negative 1.804 meters. So our answer is the force is 1.804 meters above G. Then for part C, the moment of the force about the hinge line. Since we have located F, we compute the moment of F about the hinge line, and its sense is counterclockwise. So it is F times that distance, moment arm of F is ESA VP minus half of 2.5, which is 1.25. So moment about the hinge line is 10.62 times quantity 1.804 minus 1.25. So mH equals 5.883 kilonewton meter counterclockwise. So I use, for the alternate solution, I use statics here to reinforce the concept and the principle, as well as to increase your techniques or knowledge in fluid mechanics, in hydraulics, of course, particularly this topic here. We use statics here so that you can master the principles and you don't need to memorize formulas because you have mastered the principle. So this solution is the solution of the expert, supposedly. So we have here the pressure diagram. The pressure at the hinge level is expected to be negative because this is negative 20. We only go down by 0.5, and the pressure at the bottom is expected to be positive. And let's find that point where the pressure is 0. This is the pressure diagram, and we we have F1 here, which is the same direction as the answer here. So F is there, and F2 is to the right. So F is equal to F1 minus F2, and it is leftward. So remember that if we use the pressure diagram, the force is simply volume of pressure diagram, and the volume is area of the projection here, which is triangular, times 1.5 meters perpendicular to the screen. So first, let's have the pressure at the hinge level, which is negative 20 plus 9.81 times 0.5. So pressure at the hinge level, negative 20 plus 9.81 times 0.5. And it is negative 15.095 kilopascals. It is already indicated here going to the left. So let's make that positive because it is going to the left. 15.095 kilopascals. From there, we can now compute H1, the location where pressure is 0. So to solve for H1, we sum up pressure from the hinge level to that point, and we begin at 15.095, then we go down, so plus 9.81 times H1, then equate the pressure to 0. So negative 15.095 plus 9.81 times H1, the pressure here is, remember, negative 15.095 plus specific weight of water times H1 equals 0. So H1 is equal to 1.5387 meters. Now H2 is simply 2.5, the height of the gate, minus H1. So H2 is 2.5 minus 1.5387, and it is 0.9613 meter. For the pressure at the bottom level, if we begin at negative 20, then it is negative 20, then we go down 3 meters, so plus 9.81 times 3. So pressure at B is negative 20 plus 9.81 times 3, and it is positive 9.430 kilopascals, which is this indicated there. Another way of computing this pressure is we begin at this level with 0, since we have already calculated H2. So it is 0 plus 9.81 times 0.9613. Another way of getting 9.43 again is 0. Pressure here is 0. Then we go down 9.81 times 0.9613, and you'll get the same value of 9.430 kilopascals. So let's proceed. We can now compute F1, volume of pressure diagram, and it is equal to 1 half times 15.095 times H1, which is 1.5387. Then that's the area of the triangle, then times 1.5 meters into the screen, and it is equal to 17.420 kilonewtons. F2, on the other hand, is going to the right. It is volume of this pressure diagram, 1 half of 9.430 times H2.9613, perpendicular to the screen, 1.5. So F2 equals 6.799 kilonewtons. We can now solve for F, and F is equal to 17.42 minus 6.799, and F is equal to 10.621, the accurate value going to the left. 10.621, the accurate value, kilonewtons, going to the left. But we have to express the final answer to 4 significant figures. Then for ESA VP, we use Varignon's theorem. F, this is counterclockwise. So F times this moment arm to G is ESA VP minus, sorry, F2 should be positive. So F counterclockwise, F times quantity is a VP minus 1.25, that's the moment arm of F, and it is equal to F2. The moment arm of F2 is H1 plus 2/3 of H2, that's the moment arm from the hinge line, then minus F1, because moment of F1 is clockwise, F1 times, of course, this distance is 1/3 of H1. So again, I use 10.621 here. F times quantity is a VP minus 1.25 equals F2 6.799. Again, the moment arm of F2 is H1 1.5387 plus 2/3. This is 2/3 of H2. Location of centroid of triangle from the vertex is 2/3 of H2. So H1 1.5387 plus 2/3 of 0.9613. Then minus the moment of F1, which is clockwise. So F1 17.42, its moment arm or distance from the hinge line is H1 over 3. So minus 17.42 times 1.5387 over 3. So solving for ESA VP, it is also 1.804 meters. It's indeed above G. Then finally, the moment of the force from the hinge is F times ESA VP minus 1.25, which is this. And this formula is the same as this. So meaning moment at the hinge is, I just use this. Let's copy this, which is counterclockwise. So 6.799 times quantity 1.5387 plus 2/3 of 0.9613, then minus 17.42 times 1.5387 over 3. So the moment of that force about the hinge is 5.884 kilonewton meter counterclockwise. So there's a discrepancy of very, very small, that is practical. They are practically the same. So that's it for this video. I hope that your knowledge, your mastery to this topic is enhanced.